Bron i 19 munud i chwarae ar yr hanner gyntaf yma. Dim un cyfle clir eto, mae Creedy ac i grydd beryglus. A Cumming yn codi ac yn ennill y peniad. Grydd i Aberystwyth, pel hir i'r canol. Dyma John Owen. Bach o le fan hyn, ar ergyd yn un ffyrnig, a'r bediad yn un pwysig gan Smith. Owen, tanio'n ddigon cawrain ac yn ddigon ffyrnig. Lewis, codi ben, mae yna ddau gris gwyrdd yn y canol. Y croesiad, ti'r bosti bella, Hartley i'r peniad! A Zach Hartley, mi oedd y peniad yn un da. Lewis, yn ryddhau Hartley trwy canol. Gwaith da, o bell, yr ergyd, yn daran o ergyd. Ac erbediad pwysig arall gan Joe Smith. Mi oedd honna'n chwypo ergyd o bell gan Zach Hartley. Mae Creedy yn effro. Cumming yn effro hefyd, mae'r bel hyn yn beryglus i'r canol. Hanner cyfle, y middle cut. O, Hill! Yr ergyd yn bwerus. Oedd hi ar un o goeser am ddiffynwyr wy'n ame. Mi hyrddio Dave Jones y golwr I hunan i'r dde. A fe wyrodd i'r chwith.
The chances we had were exceptional chances. You expect to score them. It's not a case of having half chances. And then you don't score, you're also going to be up against it at the back. They played some decent football first half. For second half, we dominated the first until the goal. And the deflection for the goal. So it's disappointing because we knew what it could have meant in terms of the distance between them. But on another day, you score them 3 chances, and it's disappointing that we're not clinical enough that end.
Yeah, a massive win. You know that could have took them 7 points ahead of us, but they're only a point now. But you know we've got 8 cup finals left. But I thought we were tremendous tonight. I thought from the first whistle we got at them. You know we passed the ball really well tonight, and I thought we thoroughly deserved our win.
Yeah, kept playing. It is 7 defeats, but throughout those 7 defeats, you've played football, you've kept that ball on the ground, and it paid dividends today.
Yeah, I thought our performances have warranted more points. You know, that isn't to be. You know, that's football. You know, we've had to tighten up in certain areas, and tonight I thought we were tremendous in the key moments, in headers, blocks in the box, because Aber put us under a little bit of pressure, second half especially. But I thought we dealt with it all night.
It's massive, especially where we are now. You know, don't know what it is now, but we're on a losing streak, so it's time to turn things around and then start heading in the right direction.
Yeah, 7 defeats on the bounce, and yet you still played football. You still came out and tried to play the right way. And what's it like in the dressing room when those results don't go your way, despite the performances?
The gaffer gives us a way to play, and we play that way. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but we've got to stick together and keep going. You know, it's one of them things. It's football at the end of the day. So.